Hi guys, I will introduce to you a new piece of equipment on board. We call it a shell shaker. It's a piece of equipment used in drilling operations, especially in oil and gas drilling. To remove large solids, we call it cuttings, from drilling fluids, also known as drilling mud, as it returns to the surface. The purpose of this is, it is the first stage of solid control in drilling rig. Its main job is to screen out rock cuttings and debris from the circulating mud so that the fluid can be recycled reused. How it works. Number 1, drilling mud carrying cuttings is pumped out of the borehole, flows across the shell shaker screens. Number 2, the vibrating motion of the shaker causes the solid particles to move across the screen and up the end. Number 3, clean fluid with much fewer solids passes through the screen and is collected for recirculation. Key components: vibrating deck, hold the screen and vibrates to move solids. Screens, mesh panel that filter out solids. They come in various mesh sizes. Mud feeder of weir directs the flow of fluid onto the screen. There are types of shell shaker. First, we have linear motion, most common, good for handling high volumes. Next is balance elliptical, offers gentler motion for delicate cuttings. And number 3 is circular motion, less common in modern rigs. Importance using shell shaker: reduce wear and tear on downstream equipment, improve drilling efficiency, save costs by allowing reuse of expensive drilling fluids, and lastly, protect the environment by minimizing waste. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow.